Today's video highlights GIFT Nifty's recovery, the impact of the Fed's hawkish stance, and key movers like IOL Chemicals and SpiceJet's surge. Stay tuned for insights into Nifty and Bank Nifty trends. The good news, after last 4 days of drubbing, GIFT Nifty is aiming to float above the dotted lines. The slight improvement in sentiments is on backdrop of the US GDP growth for Q3, which was revised higher to 3.1% from 2.8%. But our call of the day suggests the trading theme still revolves around Jerome Powell's hawkish outlook for 2025. The extreme sell-off at Dalal Street is after Fed trims rate cut expectations for next year. The Fed lowered the Fed funds rate by 25 BPS as expected yesterday but signaled only 50 BPS of rate cuts for 2025, half the reduction projected in September. Long story short, the recent sell-off has also more to do with profit-taking following the spectacular rally since the election, with many believing Nifty ran too far too fast. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 40 to 25 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 39.43 crores. Sentiments continue to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating oversold conditions on the daily charts. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 14.51 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 0.81 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 0.48. Nifty outlook, in an up and down session, Nifty is likely to aim for a rebound. Nifty, CMP to 3952. Support, 23,850 to 23,800. Resistance, 24,050 to 24,100. Range, 23,800 to 24,100. Bias, sideways to bearish. Bank Nifty, CMP 51576. Support, 51,300 to 51,250. Resistance, 51,850 to 51,900. Range, 51,250 to 51,900. Bias, sideways to bearish. In yesterday's trade, Nifty witnessed dramatic fall, and that brings us to big question, no Santa rally for Nifty and its stocks? Pessimism still the order of the day amidst 1. In last 4 sessions, FIIs have turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 12,230.30 crores. 2. India's slowing economic growth, which is likely to mean that capital flows will be weak. Buzzing stocks. 1. IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals rallied 8.65% to 441 rupees on reports that the company's board will meet on 27 December 2024 to consider and approve subdivision or split of existing equity shares of the company. 2. SpiceJet shot up nearly 9% in yesterday's trade after the company informed bourses that it has reached a settlement with Genesis to resolve over a $16 million dispute. Ajay Singh, Chairman and Managing Director, SpiceJet, said, "This settlement marks another crucial step in our journey towards financial stability."